right, so today we have wild-caught salmon, and it's sockeye, and it's about a pound. And I will cut it into serving-sized pieces. I will marinate it in rice wine vinegar for about 30 minutes. And then you'll have your broiler warming up, and it doesn't need a lot of warming. And just let the broiler kind of dry the surface, and then you take it out, and then you'll flip it over, and then basically let the broiler dry the other side. And then you'll take it back out, and then with a heat-resistant brush, you will start glazing the salmon. So you'll put the salmon in the oven. You'll leave it in there for about 2 minutes, and you'll see the top of it really bubbling away, and it's kind of dry by then. You'll take it back out, and you'll turn the fish over, and then you'll glaze that side, and then put it back in the oven for another 2 minutes till it starts really bubbling. So you have the option of doing 2 glazes. You can do 3 if you want, but by then your fish will be done. I mean, the heat is so high on the broiler that you're basically barbecuing it. I mean, it's very fast.